Hey, what's up, y'all? Here with Andrew today. He's crushing it. He's on his 5th fish. I walked up, he had a 4-pounder. Damn. Let's see if we can catch another one today. Walk up and the first thing I see is you holding a 4-pounder. I'm like, god damn. I guess start off with the drop shot fluke. See how that goes. Let's see what happens. How long have you been here for today?
I came here at 2 hours and a half.
5 fish in 2.5 hours. It's pretty good. That's pretty good.
I feel like some people came here though, or the broken rod.
Yeah. There was a guy here yesterday before I got here.
Seemed to caught any fish.
No, it looked like he was pretty frustrated when he left. Yeah.
Oh, by the way, the hobo street, I call it hobosto in Japanese.
Yeah.
It's like literally strolling, just like it's like treat your bait as like dog, like let's go on a walk like that. Like,
Yeah.
But make sure it's like on top of fish, not like too deep down there.
Yeah.
Let them see it. Yeah, that's like technique. So drop shot, it's all right, but yeah, I think that height should be fine. Yeah.
Because I'm keeping it elevated the entire time. So it's like, I'm hoping it's like right in their face, you know? Or over the top of their head, maybe. My guy. Damn, bro, throwing in the current, huh? Fish number 6 for this dude over here. I need to learn something from you, man. I'ma throw in the current. I'ma do it. Hell yeah, dude.
Cute size.
Yeah, hey man.
Sick.
It's a nice one. He's got the red eyes too. Hell yeah.
Let's go.
Ah, snag. Sheesh. Well, looks like we're breaking off. I'm on.
Wow. Let's go.
Hey bro, what's the name of this lure?
Fish arrow, flash bait. It is big.
Respectable. Buddy inhaled it. Hey, let's go, dude.
Let's go.
Boom.
Yeah. And look at the place where you hooked.
Yeah, look.
Perfect.
Andrew, my guy, put me on the fish. Fish arrow, Japan lures.
Yep.
Little jerkbait action, some current. Got him.
Let's go.
Nice fish.
Nice.
Nice fish. Let's get a weight.
The screen is kind of black.
Oh yeah, it's still on.
It's not okay.
Yeah. All right. What do you think? I'm gonna say 2.
2. Yeah, 2.
This year, all thanks to you.
Yeah, let's go.
2.35.
Let's go.
Hell yeah, dude.
Yeah.
Let's get a release on camera. Here he goes. Hell yeah. Thank you so much, man.
Of course.
I owe you so much.
No, it's okay.
Can I take a picture of the lure pack?
Let's go.
Hover strolling. Just when you thought you heard of all the fishing techniques, you learn a new one. You catch one on your first cast. Hey! It makes a lot of sense, man, because when I came here, and I mean, I didn't catch anything yesterday, but when I came here, I'm like, there's fresh water, oxygen, bait fish, insects, bugs. There's a steep canyon, like yeah. And then there's a flat where they can spawn. So there's food, oxygen, spawning, deep water access.
Perfect.
It has everything. There we go. Number 2. Oh, this one feels a little better. No. Oh, I broke off. No. Let's get back in the money zone. It's the money zone right there. There we go. Oh. Oh, my pants just ripped. Woo! Let's freaking go. My pants ripped and I... Hey bro, another one.
Let's go.
Bam. Tummied up. Tummied up. This is my biggest of the year, man. Woo! And it's all thanks to you, bro.
Of course, man. Okay.
All right.
I don't know if it... Wait.
Yeah, it's recording. We're good.
The lighting.
Yeah. All right. Again, thank you so much, Andrew. Check out this tummied up bass right here. Look at that mouth. Mmm. Yeah. What do you think this one? I'm gonna say 4.
3.8 or 4?
3.8 is fair. Let's find out. I'm just really hoping 4. That's really what I'm hoping. 4.27.
Let's go!
You might not see it on camera,
Here.
but it's over 4. Hell yeah.
Let's go.
Hell yeah. One last thing about this fish, guys, is if you look at those lips, they're red. It's crawdad eater. Makes sense, it's here at the creek entry. Let's go, dude. Fish arrow, fish flash J split. Yeah, closer look for the camera, you guys. So in the front, there's a little nail weight. Transparent. Oh, shoot! So it happened to me. That happened to you? No! Oh man, I feel your pain. That was
heavy.
That was me a second ago.
Oh my god, that was so heavy.
They are stacked right there, dude.
I think I pulled too hard.
After I lost that one, I know how it feels. I'm like, you need to get back in there, dude. Got one.
Nice. In front of you.
Yep.
That's big. Let's go. Fish on. Let's go.
Double up.
Oh, it's gonna be a perfect picture.
Oh
my god.
Let's go.
Bigger one. Okay. Let's go.
Let's go, dude.
Together. You gotta take selfie.
All right.
Nice.
Yep. 3.5. 3.59.
Nice.
Yeah, buddy. 3.5. A 4 point. Forgot 4 point something, and a 2.3. Got buddy trying not to get hooked by his trebles.
Yeah.
I know the struggle. Let's freaking go, guys.
Attacked by
Ooh, a bird, maybe?
I don't know, maybe other bass.
No, you're on like 8 now.
Really?
Yeah.
I forgot 8, right?
Yeah, because that tiny one was your 7.
Oh, we count that, okay.
Yeah.
No, but I lost the one.
I got here, you caught fish number 5, you caught another one over here, and you caught number 7 over there, and that was number 8.
Isn't that the one I lost?
No, you caught one, you caught a 1 point something over here.
Forgetting now.
I know, dude, it's a good day when you're forgetting how many fish you've caught. Number 9, let's go. Hell yeah. Coming. Always a fighter. Oh yeah, that's pretty nice. It's right here. He's got a buddy with him.
Really?
He did a second ago. That was my bad. Didn't mean to touch your rod, but you're good.
Yay.
Woo! Let's go, dude. It's 10 fish for this dude. That's crazy. What's the biggest one you've caught here so far?
Earlier.
Like in all the days that you've been fishing here?
Yeah, today.
Yeah.
Yeah, in my fishing life, today was the biggest one.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That 4 was your biggest fish ever?
Yeah, I don't really go by the weight.
Yeah.
The size-wise,
Yeah.
today was the biggest one.
Hell yeah, dude. Nice. Congrats, man. That's awesome.
Thank you.
So the fish that I walked down and saw you holding was the heaviest fish that you've caught?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Hell yeah, dude. Oh, I had one. I still have it. He came back. Feels good. Yep.
Hey, let's go. Fourth fish.
5 bites, 4th fish.
Yeah.
Hey.
And this is pretty white one.
Yeah, it's got those red eyes. A 4th fish, 5 bites. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, so fish number 4, another craw eater. Yeah, definitely got a little bit of a tummy too. Gonna get a weight on him. Yep, 2.16.
Whoa.
There he goes. All right, so the way I have this hooked, y'all, I don't have the offset J hook he has, but I have an offset worm hook, so I'm making do with it by leaving a little bit of the hook exposed on the other side and not making it weedless, because we're swimming it through the water column. Hey, there we go.
Whoa. Oh yeah, hell yeah. Hey, this time you gotta flex on them.
Woo! Fish number 5 in 2 hours. 5 fish, 6 bites. Yeah, this one smells like a 2.35. Well, guess what?
2.3?
2.31.
Let's go.
I knew it smelled like a 2.3. Hey guys, look what I found on the ground. Rod tip broken. You think someone broke off on a big one, or someone just had a bad day? Tell me in the comments. Fish number 6. Oh, we broke off. We knew that was gonna happen. Sheesh. This whole thing is frayed out the wazoo, dude. Oh, we lost the lucky lure. Oh. Let's tie on another one of these hooks and put a fluke on and see if that works. Oh. Alright, we're too afraid, dude. Way too afraid. Let's try... Let's try our other rod. Alright, we didn't get it on camera somehow, but just caught the biggest one so far. Gonna see what he weighs. I don't know how I wasn't recording, sorry guys, but look at this. Look at this behemoth. I used the bigger fluke on the bait caster rod. 4.2. Alright, that's a little more what I was thinking. But it's a chunker. It's a chunker, that's for sure. Look at that belly. All right, let's get a release on her. Big old fish. Big old fishy boy. Don't know how I wasn't recording for that. I'm such a chump. Oh, yeah. There you go, mama. There she goes. Let's try and do it again. And this time actually get it on film. We have about 13 minutes left of light. All right, everybody. Came out here today, met up with Suno or Andrew. We did some finessing, 9 hits, 6 fish. The 6th one, unfortunately, wasn't on film, but we got the weigh on film and the release on film. Luckily, the second one was also a 4-pounder, so 2 4-pounders, 3 2-pounders, and a 3.5. Not bad, dude, not bad. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Bam.